Welcome to Learn Polish Podcast, episode number 472, 472. You can find all our episodes on learnpolishpodcast.com. You'll find everything about me. Scan the QR code. You'll see my 6 podcasts or go to rygon.com. And if you're looking for a virtual assistant, we've got packages from $99. You go to va.world. And welcome again, Matt. Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry, witam. Jak tam? Wszystko dobrze?
Wszystko z porządku.
Tak. Pogoda coraz piękniejsza. Yes. Like the weather is getting better and better. Okay. So, today I'm gonna present you 2 adjectives, kinda antonyms, and how can you use it in your daily life? Basically, it is really cool because 2 adjectives, but every has 3 meanings. Także zapraszam serdecznie. I invite you to listen. Roy, czy jesteś gotowy?
Jestem.
Bo nasi widzowie na pewno. Dobrze. Dzisiaj rozmawiamy o 2 przymiotnikach. We are talking about 2 adjectives. Wolny i zajęty. Before I start, zanim zacznę, chcę zapytać Roya, czy ty słyszałeś kiedyś te słowa? Somewhere?
Tak. It's like, ja myślę, że toileta would be like pick is zajęty, nie wiem, and wolno, are you free, czas na przykład, jest wolno na kawa na przykład. I don't know, is that
Okay.
yeah?
Okay, yes. So plus minus. Zgadzam się. I agree. I'm gonna show you when we can use them in all context. Okay. So basically, as you said, to toilet or something is wolny, free. Yeah. Okay. We start from the word wolny. Wolny means free. Jesteś wolny dzisiaj? Jesteś wolny dzisiaj, Roy?
Nie, bo ja robię podcast.
Czyli nie. So basically, jesteś wolny dzisiaj. For example, when we ask somebody, what are you doing? Yes, what are you doing today? Are you free today? Jesteś wolny dzisiaj? For example, also, czy to miejsce jest wolne? Is this seat is free? Ja?
Przykład na restaurację, tak?
W restauracji. Dokładnie. Albo na przykład w kinie. Ja? Czy to miejsce jest wolne? Chyba tak. Nikt tu nie siedzi. Nobody sits here. Nobody sitting here. Okay. Or for example, stolik na prawo jest wolny. Yeah? What does it mean?
Table on the right is free.
Exactly. Yes. The table on the right is free. So basically, the most common, let's say, a meaning of this word is free. And below you have also the noun from this word, which is wolność, freedom, wolność, like miłość, love, with the ending ść. Yes, wolność.
I w Łodzi jest plac wolności, Freedom Square.
For example, exactly, dokładnie. Myślę, że nie tylko w Łodzi. I think that not only in Łódź, many probably cities also, have. And here song, the band Chłopcy z Placu Broni, and the title of the song, tytuł piosenki, Kocham wolność.
I love freedom. Yeah?
Exactly. And also, dzień wolny, day off. To nie jest o nas, Roy. It's not about us. Yeah. Basically, yes. Really common when it comes to day off. Yes, like dzień wolny, day off. Jutro mam dzień wolny. Może pójdziemy do kina. Jutro mam dzień wolny. Może pójdziemy do kina. Tomorrow I have day off. Maybe we'll go to the cinema. Okay? Is it clear? But sometimes also we just say, oh, jutro mam wolne. Yes? So wolne, like in the plural. Dni. Yes? Dzień but plural dni. Wolne dni, days off. Dostałam wolne od szefa. Which means basically that I got some days off from my boss. Yeah? And it's really common. It's really common. When it comes to...
And kiedy it's masculine and feminine, is it zawsze szefa?
Chef, yes. The good question. Chef or szefowa? Yes? Yes. If it's girl, then szefowa. But chef. Here is szefa, so it's from a man. Like the boss is probably, the company is the man. Not probably, for sure. Na pewno. So dostałam wolne od szefa. Mogę robić co chcę. Maybe not whatever I want, but... Okay. Wolne, which is single. Yes, also it is common usage. Maybe not so common, but you know, guys, depends on context. For example, when one of okay, let's say we're around people and someone says, ona jest wolna. We can interpret it in two ways. Yes, she is a free, but also like she's a single. Yes, and probably it's just that meaning. Have you heard? Czy słyszałeś kiedyś o tym znaczeniu?
No.
Yeah, as a free woman.
When it's a man, then it's a wolne.
Wolny, yes, yeah. So basically, wolny is a single. Yes, jestem wolna już rok, for example. Yeah, which is like, I'm a single, like, ready, 1 year. Ona jest fine. Wolny also means slow. Okay? Żółwie są wolne. Okay?
And if you're insulting somebody, like in Ireland, if we say he's slow, he's nie myśli dużo, can you say the same? On jest wolno, głową wolno, yeah? Can you say?
Yeah, basically, yes. Later we also will hear that it's not the last meaning of this word. Jest wolno myśli, yes? He is thinking slowly. Yes. Okay, so żółwie są wolne. Which animal is it? Turtle, exactly. Żółw. Żółw jest wolny.
And then, because I've heard as well, because just from my kid, it's like when you put your fist together, that's a żółw, isn't it?
Tak, żółwik, exactly. To jest żółwik, tak, żółwik, yeah. Agree. Okay. And yes, as I said, I left this stuff for my wolno, adverb. Yeah, as a wolno. Okay, so for example, czemu jedziemy tak wolno? Czemu jedziemy tak wolno? Okay?
Why are you going so slow? Bo jesteś penguin?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's this? Tak. Can be. Tak. So, czemu jedziemy tak wolno? Możesz przyspieszyć? Why are we going so slow? Can you speed up? Okay? So it's that meaning. Tak wolno. Ojejka, tak wolno ta kolejka idzie. Yes, like so slow this queue is going. Yes. So this context.
And sometimes you hear people saying, dawaj, it's like, go, get.
Tak. Szybko, yes? It's like antonym. Yes, szybko, like fast. But wolno. Nie spiesz się. Do not hurry up. Yeah?
Na przykład, kiedy jestem na poczta, zawsze jest wolno, tak? It's like, godziny, it's like...
Tak, tamta kolejka zawsze jest długa, always is long i idzie to wszystko wolno.
Zawsze słuchasz stare ludzie. Proszę pan, ja byłam pierwszy. Proszę pani, nie, ja byłam pierwszy. Ja byłam na sklep. To jest Polska, tak.
Exactly, it looks like that. Oh, yeah. Doświadczyłam. I experienced. Okay. And what it's more, also when it comes to things which you are not allowed to do. Okay? Nie wolno, which means must not. Have you ever heard? Czy słyszałeś kiedyś?
Nie wolno, yeah.
Yes, sometimes to children, yes? People, like, for example, parents. Nie wolno tak robić. Yes?
You can't do that.
Yes, exactly. Or mówić. Because dzieci are honest. Children are honest. Dzieci są szczere. Too honest. Sometimes za szczere. So, nie wolno tak mówić. Nie wolno tak mówić, tak? Or sometimes you can see some shots like tu nie wolno palić, for example, yes? It's not allowed, yes, to smoke here. Yeah, for example. So worth remembering that this must not will be expressed as a nie wolno. Yeah? Okay. And now, finally, the second adjective, which is zajęty. Zajęty. Do you know? Have you used? Używałeś kiedyś tego słowa?
Busy.
Yes, busy. Busy, tak? For example, nie mogę teraz rozmawiać. Nie mogę teraz rozmawiać. I can't talk right now, yeah? Jestem zajęta. I have a lot to do. Yeah?
Well, po angielsku, bo dużo ludzi chcesz marketing dla mnie, like 300 za tydzień, tak? Zawsze. Ja mogę, kiedy ja piszę, I'm busy, zajęty, then it's like,
Yeah.
it's lepiej.
Exactly. So it's busy. It's the most common meaning of this word. Jestem zajęta. Tak. My teraz jesteśmy zajęci because we are making this podcast. Yeah? We can say. Recording. Nagrywamy. Okay. Where's more zajęty? Zajęty, taken. Yes? If the wolny was free. Yeah? Then zajęty is taken. So, for example, I gave...
When somebody says, proszę pani, może daj mi twoje numer telefon komórkowy, idziemy na kina, and you go, nie.
No, zajęta, yes. So it doesn't mean that I'm busy. It means that someone just stole my heart, yeah. Someone else. Okay. And so Ania jest taka fajna. Like, Ania is so cool, yes? Chcę ją zaprosić na randkę. I would like to invite her, yes, on date. Michał, ona jest zajęta od ponad pół roku, yes? Like, she is taken for like more than half a year, yes? So, since even, yes, old. So, what can I say more? Life, życie, yeah? And obviously a reminder that zapraszać means invite. Even like when we start the class, I said something like zapraszam serdecznie. Yes, like I invite you, like politely. Yeah.
Warmly, isn't it? Like warmly.
Warmly. Yes, exactly. So it's a really common phrase. Okay. Also, yes, the meaning, which Royce knows. Znaczenie, które Roy zna. Zajęty, as occupied. Yes? Patrz, to miejsce jest już zajęte. Like, look, this place is already occupied. Yeah? Also, miejsce means seat, place, yeah? Or spot, like parking spot. Yes? O, patrz, tam jest wolne miejsce. Yes? Wolne miejsce. Zaparkujmy. Let's park, yeah? Okay. So, and also when it comes to toilet, yeah? When someone... when you're inside and you get dressed, how to say that I'm inside? You just say zajęta. And it's enough. Yeah?
And just on that, because I keep forgetting, because normally you have male and female, just like you have the picture. But in Poland, you've got a circle and a triangle. And every time I get it wrong, I keep forgetting. Which is which? Because I even though I can't remember, it's like this triangle or a circle. Which is the triangle is for?
Yes, I also remember from time to time. Like, I forget from time to time also. Yes, sometimes I remember, sometimes I forget. I feel you. Rozumiem. Okay. So, we have to sum up. Podsumowania. Wolny, free, single, slow. Zajęty, busy, taken, occupied. And to sum up, I ask my student, Roy, give me one sentence with one of these words in context which you want.
Jestem wolny, ale Tinder nie jest dobrze, so dlatego jestem wolny. Może
Okay, can be, yes. I can say now as a feminine. Jestem wolna, ale Tinder nie jest dobry. Yes, it's what you do. You mean? Yeah. So, as you can see, tak jak widzicie, Roy użył tego w kontekście związków, relationships, yeah, that he is a single. So, dziękujemy. Dziękujemy za ten podcast. Thanks, Roy.
Dziękuję bardzo, Marta. So I'll make sure I put Marta's TikTok so you can listen to her beautiful singing and contact her if you're interested in doing some lessons. You'll find everything about me on roycon.com. Scan the QR code and you'll find my 6 podcasts. And if you're looking for a virtual assistant, go to va.world. And be sure to give us a thumbs up, 5-star rating, and give us some comments on what other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next week, dziękuję bardzo i do widzenia.